Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to delete WhatsApp frequently contacted. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is on the contact name on the share menu. So for example, right over here, if you simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp, and then let's just say, for example, what you need to do is simply go ahead and archive their chat by swiping left on their name, just like that, which will simply go ahead and remove from the frequently contacted. The other thing you can simply go ahead and do is simply by deleting your recents right over here. If you have called them or if you have texted them, you can go ahead and just clear your chat right over here, which will simply go ahead and help clear that. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.